Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our brand new channel. To kick off this channel, we'll be creating this shipment management UI you see on your screen right now. We'll be creating everything in Python and Kivy as the UI framework. When you open the app, the first thing you're going to see is this dashboard screen. We'll be creating all of this from scratch. These are going to be custom widgets that I'm going to show you how to do. If you click on the shipment screen, you can view all the shipments that you have in your database, so whether they are pending, processed, or already delivered. You'll also be able to view the list of clients that you have in your database, as well as invoices. Finally, you'll be able to see some statistics about the shipments you have, like the revenue you've generated, how many shipments you have made in this week and last week. We'll also create this pop-up allowing you to create new shipments. This is going to contain some custom widgets like this stepper at the top, which updates as you click through. Finally, you'll be able to view shipments. So if you click on a shipment, you can see information about the shipment. You can see, so this is a map widget that we're going to be using here, and you can zoom in or zoom out of this. You can see where the shipment was picked up, where the driver is currently, and finally, where the shipment is going. We'll be creating all of this from scratch, and I'll try to explain as best as I can for beginners if you are there. If this is something you are interested in, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's make this dashboard together.